Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fitia app. You will click on settings here as you see. Then in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we search about Fitia app and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Fitia. And here we'll uninstall your app and you'll install it again. So please don't forget to support us